Hey, the Red Hood build has been updated. I believe it's the account manager has been replaced with the Debrid manager add-on. This build was basically sort of two builds combined into one. They had a Red Hood build in the past, and they had another build called Killer. That was from the character of John Wick 4. So this one's got sort of like the background pictures of Red Hood and Killer build. So meaning that it's got all the these are like male killers in the movies. In the, like you got Equalizer, you got that guy from the accountant. You've got who else? You got Christian Bale from out of Equilibrium, because I know many people haven't seen that, but that guy's like top notch. They've got James Bond. Who's the other person? Well, it's got all of that background pictures. So that's this been updated. So I'm just letting you guys know. All right then. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.